Secretary, Mr. Vijay Pandey, to present a report.
बहुत खुशी हो रही है कि आईएमसी का देश के हर राज्य में चैप्टर है और विदेशों में भी हमारे चैप्टर खुल रहे हैं। डेवलपमेंट जर्नलिज्म के एक हमारे साथी ने उज्बेकिस्तान में एक चैप्टर खोला है। हम कोशिश कर रहे हैं कि ये और आगे बढ़े और दूसरे देशों में भी जहां हमारे एलुमिनी हैं वहां हमारे चैप्टर खुलें। और ये आप लोगों का आने के लिए बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। Thank you.
Good evening, everyone. Any alumni movement is made out of a couple of factors which really give it a lot of momentum. Our outstanding senior alumni who are sitting right here, let's hear it for them. Our recent alumni who have come here in huge numbers to really encourage us. Let's hear it for all of you. Our sponsors, every year our sponsors are continuing to sponsor the movement, and the list of sponsors is only going up. Let's hear it for them. Thank you, and hope to see this movement becoming stronger every year.
Thank you.
गुड इवनिंग, नमस्कार। ये तो आप लोग के चेहरे देखकर, ये माहौल देखकर, इस उत्साह को देखकर इतनी खुशी हो रही है कि मैं उसका बयान नहीं कर सकता। I really think that this alumni association, which started in this format 3 years ago, is going from strength to strength. और आज जो turnout है, I think this can be a model for any alumni association anywhere in the world. सबसे बड़ी बात यह है कि आप लोग सब इतनी पॉजिटिव एनर्जी लेके आते हैं यहाँ पर कि दिल खुश हो जाता है। और मेरे ख्याल से आज कोई स्पेशल अरेंजमेंट किया गया है आईएमसी अलुमनाई एसोसिएशन की तरफ से कि उन्होंने अरेंज ये किया कि मैच दिखाया जाएगा और मैच जीता भी जाएगा। इस सब के लिए आप सबको बहुत बहुत बधाई हो। Thank you very much. It's a great pleasure indeed for me to welcome all of you here. I can't describe the kind of happiness, joy it is giving all of us to see this enthusiasm on the part of all our alumni, and we want you to come closer and closer to this institution and bring all your positive energies here. And IMC Alumni Association is going to be one of the best associations on the planet. I'm very sure of it. I wish you all success in your individual careers and as a collective family. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for your kind words.
We will now be beginning with the felicitations for our campus Wale entrepreneurs. So we'll straightway head into the entrepreneurs.
Our first entrepreneur is from the second batch of journalism IIMC, Mr. Kurian Abraham. He's the editor and managing director of Dhanam Publications Private Limited. We welcome you, sir.
It was in the year 1980 that Kurian Abraham, an alumnus of 1976-77 batch of journalism course, forayed into publication business by launching a unique English magazine for non-resident Keralites from Delhi. Armed with this experience and contacts, he developed, Kurian launched an international magazine on rubber from Kerala, Rubber Asia, in 1985. Later, seeing the emerging opportunities, he launched Dhanam, Kerala's first business magazine in Malayalam. A big cheer for him. He's one of our oldest alumni, and we are extremely grateful, sir, that you traveled all the way to participate.
Thank you, IMC team, for this great honor and initiative. I am sure this will be an inspiration to all of us to perform better, and this will also inspire the emerging entrepreneurs from IMC in the coming years. I became a publisher when I found that I was not a great writer. I thought, why not become a publisher and make use of the best brains in the country? And that is what I am doing. As you know, one of the cardinal principles of entrepreneurship is do what you are good at, do what you like most, and you will be a successful entrepreneur. And I am sure if you apply this principle, you all will become successful in your own field. And the experience and exposure I got from IMC helped build my career and business, and it was a great learning for me. And today we publish 2 international magazines and a local business magazine. Thank you, IMC, for this great support and cooperation. Thank you.
Communication. She launched the Outdoor Journal in April 2013. The Outdoor Journal is a product of Devos Creative Movement Limited, a media brand, content and event startup specializing in fitness, adventure, outdoor recreation and extreme sports as entertainment space.
It's an emotional moment for me because I've been here studying, I worked here for a while, and I've been in touch constantly. And it's really nice to see everybody here and be part of this community. And I think I didn't know that it was such an active and a wonderful, energetic group. And I hope to be part of it in the years to come as well. And please look at my magazine as well. It's on the stands as well. So take a look at it. Look at the videos, look at the website, and I'm sure you'll like it. Thank you.
In ADPR in 1989, she joined the advertising industry, and her entrepreneurial journey started with a dream that she shared with her partner, their passion for technology and realities of life. Ma'am, a few words.
आज एक हर्फ को फिर ढूंढता फिरता है ख्याल. मुझे नहीं पता मैं क्या बोलूं. I'm very proud, I'm very happy that there's so many entrepreneurs from my batch. There's 7 of us from our batch who are going to be on this stage today. I am very happy for all of us. Thank you so much.
Shilpa Sonal, as she said, she runs the Orkash as promoter director since its inception in 2007 and looks after its marketing and compliance functions. Orkash is a management consulting.
Here. Well, all I can say is that I started my journey at IMC as a student of advertising, and today I'm here continuing my journey as a student of life. Thank you for the learnings.
She runs the firm, founder of Film Roots and Grassroots. Grassroots was something that's a project that was born out of her interest in healing and botanicals, and she did an MSc in medicinal plants and produced a well-received chemical-free power hair dye in 2007. And may I please request you to settle down because then the audio is barely audible at the... May I please request alumni to please settle down.
Very proud, very happy to be here. It's very nostalgic. And of course, I'm glad so many of us are here who have become entrepreneurs. As an entrepreneur, all I'll say is take risks, believe in yourself, and do what you really believe in. Thank you.
88, 89 batch from IMC. Take for Mini also. Mini is a communication specialist with 25 years experience in different areas of mass communication. She worked as a full-time journalist for several years before starting her own public relations agency, Litmus, in 1990. Advertising career with Meccan right after completing his course at IMC and worked in Everest and Mudra before moving to Low Lintas. Rupam later joined Philips and was part of the turnaround team which brought the company success in early 2000.
Thank you, everybody. It's great to be back here after so many years. We had a great time here. We were the second batch, I believe, in this campus, so nothing like this existed, but we still had a great time. I want to wish the current students all the best for the future, and a big thing happened to be in MassCom. I met my wife here, so, you know, that's the biggest thing. There she is.
Passion about highlighting basic needs like clothing left out of development agenda. A big round of applause for Anshu Gupta.
थैंक यू. बहुत नॉस्टैल्जिक हो जाता हूँ जब भी यहाँ आता हूँ. और शायद कुछ टाइम पहले तक मैं इकलौता था जिसने 2 कोर्स किए थे. 1991 में हिंदी किया था जर्नलिज्म, उसके बाद एडवर्टाइजिंग एंड पीआर किया था. और मुझे लगता है आईएमसी ने पहला कबाड़ी प्रोड्यूस किया होगा जो मैं हूँ. और उसके अलावा एक और बात है कि आईएमसी ने पहला कबाड़ी कपल प्रोड्यूस किया होगा, तो वो भी अभी यहाँ पे आएंगे.
तो मैं आपके मीनाक्षी, कैन आई प्लीज हैव यू ऑन द स्टेज? Meenakshi is the co-founder of Goonj and
Hello, everyone. I think after Anshu's tagged us as Kabadi wale couple, I think there isn't much to say. All I can say is that, this whole tag of being an entrepreneur, that comes later in life. When you do whatever comes up and you take a decision and you move on with life, you're not really thinking about those things. So it's been a fun ride, and the Kabadi couple works. Thank you.
Into corporate communications. She's based out of Chandigarh and she's come here especially for this event.
I need to keep it short and sweet because I insisted to Meenakshi also that she should keep it short and sweet. All I can say is thank you IMC for showing us the way. Thank you alumni for recognizing our work. And I cannot stop but to thank my life partner and partner in business, Manav, who's here with me. Thank you so much.
To thank the association for the great honor, and it's a wonderful honor being here with so many people who have achieved so much in different fields of life.
We have only seen elections and elections. His name and his face is very familiar on channels and newspapers. May I please request Mr. Deshmukh to say a few words?
भैया हम हिंदी मीडियम वाले हैं. शेखर गुप्ता जी कह गए हैं HMT टाइप, तो HMT टाइप ही हैं. और अब 20 साल से ज़्यादा हो गए, वॉशिंगटन डीसी की सड़कों पर भी लोग अभी देख के पहचान लेते हैं कि HMT टाइप है. कुछ बदला नहीं. धन्यवाद देना चाहूँगा आईएमसी को. और एक बहुत महीन सी लाइन है टीचर में होने में और मेंटर होने में. मैं इसलिए एक बात यहाँ पे कह रहा हूँ क्योंकि मैंने पत्रकारिता भले ही पढ़ी हो आईएमसी में, लेकिन सी वोटर की बुनियाद या मेरे एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप की बुनियाद, एक्चुअली में अगर किसी ने की, किसी ने मुझे मेंटर किया यहाँ पर, तो वो टीचर हिंदी जर्नलिज्म की नहीं थी, वो एडन पीआर की थी। जयश्री जेठवानी मैम, आई डोंट नो इफ शी इज हियर। थैंक यू मैम।